The roaming of people around the city, around the country, around the world for pleasure, religion, sightseeing, treatment, decreasing stress, and for fun is known as tourism. The roaming people called tourists. The tourists live that place called resorts that provide the most such as accommodation, sports, shopping, food, and etc. Some people live in friends' home or in relatives' home with availability of food and accommodation. Some types of resorts are as follows, as I describe golf resorts, beach resorts, island resorts, and lake resorts. Hospitality and miracle of nature are the backbone to tourism. Here I'll describe some types of tourism. First of all, environmental tourism. In environmental tourism, you'll meet the locals of that area. In cultural tourism, you'll meet the history and art like in Pakistan, Minar Pakistan, Atak Fort, and Faisal Mosque in Islamabad are the examples of cultural tourism. In health tourism, medical treatment is the best example. In adventure tourism, boating and mount climbing is the best example. And in religious tourism is the old tourism like hajj and umrah is the best example. Ethnic tourism, presence and presentation like in Wagah border army represents. Some travel agencies thinking and want to travel people in moon from 2023 to 2043. This type of tourism known as lunar tourism. Revenue from tourism of some countries as follow: United States 2.5 lakhs million dollars, Spain 60,600 million dollars per annum, United Kingdom 5 lakh and 55 million dollars per annum, Thailand 53,400 million dollars per annum. But Switzerland is the most expensive and the most beautiful country in the world for tourism. Geneva is the most famous point for tourism. Here in Pakistan, most beautiful natural points for tourists like Hunza, Thindiani, Murray, Gilgit, Quetta. So that too, Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan forced to start tourism in Pakistan for earning good revenue to extend economy in Pakistan. Here are some positive and negative results after starting in tourism in every country. I'll explain you. First of all, I'll explain you the positive impacts. High income of some businesses improves the economy. Starting new businesses improve transport system. Negative results are traffic, local goods become expensive, disturbance of livestock and nature. This is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you all fine, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for updates. Thanks.